Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing one of the most advanced robot vacuum and mop combos of 2025, the Narwal Flow. With 22,000 pascals suction, twin AI obstacle avoidance, real-time self-cleaning, and an insane amount of premium features. Is this the smartest cleaning robot ever made? Let's find out. When you unbox the Narwal Flow, you immediately notice the attention to detail. Here's what you get. The Narwal Flow robot itself. A silent, anti-tangle roller brush. The FlowWash tread mop. A dustbin with HEPA filter. The base station with dual water tanks clean and waste. Dust collection bags. Extra side brushes. Cleaning filters. A 200 milliliters cleaning solution. And of course, your power cord and user manual. Everything comes pre-installed and ready to use. Just plug in the base station, fill the tanks, and you're good to go. One of the biggest highlights is the FlowWash real-time self-cleaning track mop. Most robots only rinse the mop after cleaning, but Narwal does it live during cleaning. It uses 113 degrees Fahrenheit hot water and 1.22 kilograms downward pressure to remove stains in one pass. Coffee spills? Sticky juice? Pet mess? This thing scrubs it like a mini floor cleaning machine, and it prevents dirty water from spreading. This is where it feels truly next-gen. The Narwal Flow uses dual HD cameras with AI-trained recognition. It identifies 200-plus objects, from socks, wires, toys, chair legs, pet bowls. It slides through tight spaces and avoids tangles, bumps, and chaos. If you hate babysitting robot vacuums, this one finally acts like a grown-up. 22,000 pascals suction. Yes, really? This is one of the strongest robot vacuums on the market. It features the dual-flow tangle-free system, meaning the roller brush guides hair straight into the dustbin. Side brushes change from V-shape to 2-shape to avoid hair wrapping. Perfect for pet owners and long hair environments. Carpet cleaning is where most robot mops struggle, but not this one. The Narwal Flow lowers its brush cover to create a sealed high-pressure airflow zone. This increases carpet debris pickup by up to 2 times. You won't need a separate cordless vacuum for carpet maintenance anymore. No cleaning robot is complete without good edge cleaning. But Narwal goes further. A reversing side brush hits corners. The EdgeReach mop extends to within 5 millimeters of walls. Baseboards and corners actually get clean, finally. It climbs over 1.6-inch thresholds, handles uneven floors, and at only 3.7 inches tall, it slides under beds, sofas, and cabinets. Areas you normally never clean? This robot now reaches them. You can control the Narwal Flow completely hands-free. Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, or the built-in Hey Nawa voice command. In the app, you can schedule cleaning, set no-go zones, view obstacles, and manage your entire home. So, should you buy the Narwal Flow? If you want a robot that cleans floors and mops like a pro, is almost impossible to tangle, deep cleans carpets, maintains itself, avoids obstacles smartly, and replaces manual mopping completely, then yes, this is one of the most complete cleaning robots of 2025. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you upgrade to the Narwal Flow? And if you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more expert reviews.